In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and install a Chrome extension for digital signatures. If you've ever needed to sign a document quickly without printing and scanning, this guide will walk you through a simple way to do it right in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We'll begin in the browser because the tools we need are built right into Chrome. Look to the top right of the browser and click Extensions. Depending on your setup, this may look like a small puzzle piece icon. This opens the area where Chrome manages your add-ons and tools. From there, choose Manage Extensions. This takes you to the dedicated extensions page, where you can see what's already installed and access the official catalog. On the extensions page, select Chrome Web Store. This link opens the store where you can safely find and add new tools. It should open in a new tab and show a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Signature Form or simply Signature, then press Enter. You'll see a range of options designed to help you create or apply a digital signature to documents. Take a moment to scan the results. You'll likely notice familiar options such as PDF Editor for Chrome, Edit, Fill, Sign, Print, Online Document Signature, AI Signature, Generator, SignMaker, and Online PDF Signature. Before choosing, it's a good idea to glance at star ratings, review counts, the developer name, and the list of permissions so you know what the tool can access. When you find an extension that fits your needs, click it to open its details page, then select Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation dialog describing the permissions the extension requires. Review that information, and if you're comfortable, confirm to continue. The extension will install in a few moments, and you'll see a notification when it's ready to use. After installing, you can use the extension to create or sign a digital signature. Open the extension from the toolbar or the extensions menu and follow the on-screen prompts. Most tools let you draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, type a signature in a chosen style, or upload an existing image of your signature. If you're signing a PDF, use the extension's Upload or Open option to load your document. Place your signature where it belongs, adjust the size and position, then save and download the updated file. As a quick tip, avoid uploading sensitive documents unless you trust the developer, and check whether the tool stores signatures locally or online. That's it. Your digital signature workflow in Chrome is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.